Another quality listing by Sabella Realty. Perfectly positioned in the most sought-out area of Southwest Cape Coral sits this 3/2/1 that is clean and ready to move in or purchase it with a temporary lease back. Location and floor plan is versatile for the first-time home buyer or retiree, offering room for a pool installed the way you want it or a large backyard for the kids and dog to run around and play. The neighborhood offers sidewalks for those peaceful morning or evening walks, while you look at nature or admire the beautiful waterfront neighborhood homes on the freshwater lake across the street. The home has been updated with a new kitchen accented with undermount stainless steel sink with Grohe faucet along with quartz countertops. Don't forget about the remodeled bath with Toto toilet and Toto Pedestal sink, engineered laminate wood floors, new water heater, new garage door opener, updated windows and doors to give you great efficiency. Don't let this home get away and set up your private showing today.